overcoming obstacles.
Sen Beijing'e.
The Subaru Forester has enabled its owners to go just about anywhere for over 25 years. That's why Forester owners are known for raising the bars and loading them for adventure and for filling their Foresters with everything they love. Forester owners have set up camp in epic locations and gotten the mood lighting just right. They've crushed milestones and many, many miles. With every journey, owners have bonded with their Foresters and even given them names like Datwagon, Scooby-Doo, and Frank. Over the years, the Forester has hosted adventures to postcard places and detours to search for shiny things, proving that when you can get enough traction, you're capable of doing anything. Along the way, Forester owners have created big lives and grown in so many ways, with the Subaru Forester as their trusted companion, guiding them to discover more. In 1997, the Subaru Forester reinvented the SUV category, carefully engineered to be safe, dependable, and long-lasting, with a fuel-efficient Subaru Boxer engine and Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive. The Forester helped solidify Subaru as the trusted brand we love today. The Forester made an immediate impact on the industry. It was named one of Car and Driver's 5 best for 3 years running. The Forester continued to gain traction, becoming the most award-winning vehicle in the history of Subaru, and leaving the competition behind. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety awarded the Forester their top safety rating 17 times, more than Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4. As the Forester continues to gain accolades, owners discover even more value in their vehicle. The Forester is less expensive than competitors to keep on the road, having the lowest 5-year cost to own according to KBB.com. And if the time ever comes to sell your Forester, the Forester has the best resale value, giving you more money back. The Subaru Forester has proven more dependable and longer lasting than the competition, with 96% sold in the last 10 years, still on the road today. That's more than Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V. The Forester has consistently earned owners' trust by being named a Consumer Reports top pick for 10 consecutive years. Each time the Forester has been recognized, owners are reminded of the bigger life they can live with a vehicle they can trust. The Subaru Forester brings them closer to all that they love and invites them to discover more.
First launched in 1997, and we do have that vehicle here in our museum, which if you go to my right, your left, you can check that out. And we have so much going on at the display today here at the Chicago International Auto Show, so we're going to share about that as well as a little bit about the all-new Forester. So we're keeping all of the things you love about the Forester, the capability, the all-wheel drive, the Boxer engine, that incredible visibility that makes you feel like you're in control on the road, because you are. And we're adding so many things that you've asked for that you'd like to see. So now standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, the new kick gate, so if you've got people or groceries or your hands are full, you can open that large rear gate opening hands-free, which is awesome. Now standard with Generation 4 eyesight, which is amazing. And so many more safety features, much more structurally rigid, torsional rigidity, so many things improving safety. And also the seats are now actually mounted to the chassis, so on a long drive, you arrive at your destination with less fatigue from driving, so that you're ready for your adventure when you get there, because there's much less body movement, which studies have found is what makes drivers often fatigued. So many good new changes on the Forester. We do have two here on the floor that you can step into, since this one is roped off. And you can check them out here on the floor. Now here in our Subaru display, we have